In an interesting development, welcome to my channel CA Joyam. In an interesting development from the Delhi High Court, the Delhi High Court has affirmed and yes bola hai in cases of Principal Commissioner of IT has sanctioned prosecution under section 279 subsection 1 of the Income Tax Act if the tax evaded is more than rupees 25 lakhs. ये इंटरेस्टिंग क्यों है? क्योंकि सर्च एंड सीजर ऑपरेशन के बाद असेसमेंट ऑर्डर्स पास होने के बाद एसएससी ने अपील किया हुआ था और वो अपील पेंडिंग था। बावजूद इसके व्हेन द डिपार्टमेंट invoked prosecution proceeding and filed police complaints for violation of 276C and 278 of the Income Tax Act against the SSC. The SSC went in appeal to the High Court against such prosecution. The Delhi High Court has stated that the Principal Commissioner of IT is authorized to initiate prosecution under section 279(1) even if the appeal is pending against such earlier action, because both are totally different activities as the tax amount evaded is more than rupees 25 lakhs. So this is a very alarming case law के details ऊपर दिया हुआ है. It overrides a circular provided of 2020 where such action could not be initiated arbitrarily. पर दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट ने ये ऑब्जर्व किया है कि ये केस में असेसमेंट ऑर्डर्स वगैरह ड्यू प्रोसीजर फॉलो किया गया है. तो प्रिंसिपल कमिश्नर ऑफ आईटी हैज the power to initiate prosecution in case the tax evaded is more than rupees 25 lakhs. Note this, the case law is above. If you need the judgment, please mail me. We'll be happy to share knowledge. Have a nice day. Like and subscribe to the channel.